Hello students. In this video we are going to see the assignment 22 of Power BI. We are on page 120 of the Word doc, and what we are going to see is creating salary group histogram. We are going to use employees clean data, and then we are going to create a multi-row card, and then we are going to create a clustered bar chart and custard column chart and multi-row chart. This will be our final visualization, and then we are going to answer some of the questions which are there. Right, so let us start. First we will start by opening a fresh report, and we will try to get the employee clean data. So if you start with employee clean is a CSV data. So for CSV data we have to go for text, get data text CSV, and you will see it is there in my data set employees clean. So this data set I am going to take. Okay, once it is there, then I will load it. Right, so this is my employees clean data. Right, so we have these variables here. So now let us see what is the next step. Create a stacked column chart with salary in x-axis. Right, so stacked column chart is here. This is your stacked column chart. So let me start with that. Right, let me make it a little bit big, and in the x-axis, this is your x-axis, you have to put salary. Right, when you put salary, nothing happens. Nothing has happened. So let us see what is the issue. uh, what is the data type of the salary? There is no, it did not produce a column like this because our salary data type is not numeric, so we need to work on that. So let us look at the salary here, and you see there is no sigma sign here. That means it is right now in a text format. So just click on this, and this will open on the top, and you will see the data type which you will change to the say maybe uh, decimal number, right? And we will try to keep the values to 2 decimal values to 2 decimals, and we are okay to go. Now you see here this is salary, and I will just cancel this, and I will again put this salary now, which is in numeric format. Let me do it again. This salary I am now just bringing it here, and now you see the clustered column chart, right? Stacked column chart, clustered column chart, which one we wanted to do? Stacked column chart. So let me just change this to stacked column chart, right? So this is now a stacked column chart with salary is there in the x. You have to put it in y-axis. Okay, if you put it in x-axis, nothing will come. If it is put it in y-axis, it will come, right? So this should be y-axis. Okay, so once we have done that, we are ready to go for the next step. The next step says that uh, here we have to create a group, and we are going to create this a histogram, and we are going to start by creating a group of the salary with the bin size of 2000. So for that we will right click on the salary, and there is a option of new group. So go for it. And if you see, size of bin is currently 1100, so make it to 2000 and say OK, right? And now in this we are going to add salary bins, right? uh, See, if you put it salary bins in x-axis, right, and you will see here, but we want here also we want count, so we'll put it on both sides salary bin, and you will see this, the salary bins are on the x-axis and count of salary bins is on the y-axis, which is nothing but your histogram. So if you see this is the maximum bin size, 314 are there, right? So this is what we have done, creation of group and then creating a histogram, right? Capture the screenshot. So because this is for your assignment, you capture the screenshot. Now edit the salary groups to make 4 bin visualization. So this there is an option of salary bins, so you can again right click and edit groups is there. Go to edit groups, and instead of bin size, now go for number of bins. So change the bin type to number of bins, and then instead of 18 go for 4 bins and say OK, and you will see that your bin size has changed. Now bin type has changed to number of bins, and there are 4 bins, and in this we have 502 observations in the middle salary group, right? So we have done that, we have understood how to create a histogram. Now we are going to create a insert a stacked bar chart on the page with the below filled selections. We are going to put a stacked bar chart. Actually, we are going to rearrange this, and also we are going to create a, sorry, here we have left a multi-row card visualization. So let us create that, and actually we want to arrange it like this. So let me just rearrange. I'll just bring this on this side. Okay, and I will add a multi-row card. Right, in this multi-row card, I will arrange it below this, and we want minimum of salary and maximum of salary, right? So click on this and add salary 2 times, salary 2 times, 1 and 2, and change the first one. You can, if you click here, you will change it to minimum, and the second one you click here and change it to maximum. If you want something else, it is already there. Standard deviation if you want, variance if you want, median if you want, show the values as percentage, all is there, right? So this is what we have now. Our multi-row card with minimum salary and maximum salary is there. They have done some formatting so that it is visible. So let me click on this, go for the format your visual, go for call out values, make them bold and make them little bit bigger, and let it be black color. Then go for category labels, again make them black bold, and if you want I can just change it to dark blue, right? Then for the background I have to go to general, and invert your visual cards, we have the position border and all that. Right now we are not going into that, but you can further do that. So go to the effects, and in the this you can give a light color behind, right? So that it is quickly visible for us to answer the questions. So our multi-row card is now ready with minimum and maximum salary. Then we are going to create one stacked bar chart here, and in this stacked bar chart we are going to add y-axis title and organization group. So if you look for title, we'll add to y-axis, as well as we are going to add organization group. So there will be two fields added here, and on the x-axis we are going to add sum of salary. So basically salary on x-axis, and you have got this particular visualization now ready, right? And you will see that because we have added two variables in y-axis, we are seeing these various arrows. I will explain these arrows in a bit, right? Arrange the visualization on the page as below. So we are ready with that. They have done a small border here, so let me also make a small border by doing this bottom, right? Make the border darker and little bit thicker. Okay. So now I am with the border. Uh, so it is looking like this. Only my color is a bit different. Now double click on Mr. Bar to see the next level. Observe the changes happening in other two visualization. Now you will see here on the left side we have Mr. Bar and Miss Bar. So when you double click on this, you see here now it is showing only highlighted Mr. and the values of this Mr. are shown here. Okay. So if you click again, and it will again say give you the total. If you click on Miss, see the values are changing, even this card. So basically what we are concluding that all the three visualizations, they are in synchronized. Now we will see what is to be done for this. You will see this is a drill up, this is drill down, this is go to next level in hierarchy, and this is go expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So let me explain you what it is. So if you click on the drill down, and then if you click on Mr., then you will go for inside Mr. You will see all the organizations groups, right? And you can see the sum of salary here. But if you want to click, you want to see minimum salary of Mr. Outdoors, you are not able to see because it is showing for all, right? So you can click here, it is not changing. So this one is for going down inside a particular parent field, that is Mr. is parent here, so I am going to come back. Mr. is parent, and then the groups are the hierarchy below that, the levels below that. But when you want to get the minimum salary, maximum salary of individual groups, then you have to use this. If you want to go, if you click on this, then it will directly give for outdoors temporary organization groups, but for male and female together. So if you want shoes, if you click on shoes, you will see the minimum salary of shoes, maximum salary of shoes here. But still, if you want to see the shoes ka Mr. ka salary, it is not available here. So again I click here. So for getting that, I will have to come back and then use this particular one. So this one gives me all my answers to the downmost level. So if I click here, now what I am seeing here, you see here for outdoors I have Miss and Mr. and Miss. For running, jogging also I have this here, as well as it will be somewhere. So this is your Mr. temporary and Miss temporary. See, maybe in running and jogging Miss is here. So all this is there to with the both. And now if I want to see, say for example, running and jogging, this is your Mr. running and jogging, Mr. running and jogging total salary. But if I want to see minimum salary, just click on this, and now you will see the minimum salary here and maximum salary here for Mr. running and jogging. Now let us try to answer the questions here. Observe the mouse clip details. You can see sum of salary of Mr. Children's Sport is. So for that, what you will do, Mr. Children's Sport, you will come here, Mr. Children's Sport, here. This is Miss Children's Sport, this is Mr. Children's Sport. So Mr. Children's Sport sum of salary is 590035, right? So the first question is answered. Total salary of employees outdoor group is, total salary of employees outdoor group. So here we will get the bifurcation. So what we will do, we will go drill up, and then we will go to this level where we will get the outdoors ka total salary. So sum of salary for outdoors is available now here, 2653480, right? Total employees together. Total salary of female employees in shoes group. So basically female in shoes. So either you can go from female here down. So sorry, from female you go to drill down clip and then click here, and you will see miss, then what you want, the total salary of female employees in shoes group, right? These are female employees, and in shoes group the total salary is here 680520, right? Now total salary of female हो गया. For golf department of employees minimum salary and maximum salary. So golf department employees के लिए we have to again, whenever we want minimum and maximum, release this, go on the top and go for this. And now for golf department you will see this, this is Miss Golf. So click on this and you will see minimum and maximum for Miss Golf. Then click again here, then look for Mr. Golf. You have to scroll down a bit here and you will see here Mr. Golf. So click on that and you will see the Mr. Golf ka minimum and maximum salary, right? So this question is answered. For golf department female employees minimum and maximum salary. So again, so that is what we have just done. That is our golf female, that is your Miss Golf. Click on that and you will see minimum and maximum salary. So this is how we use drill down option and other options to answer this such questions when we have in y-axis two variables there. And if you want organization group up, if you just change this, see here, if you just change this sequence here, take the organization group up, then your parent becomes organization group, and Mr. and Mrs. the title becomes within that, right? So here if you drill down and if you click on drill down on this, you will see outdoor Mr. and outdoor Miss here, right? So we have these options to do the changes. So you can answer these questions and you can submit your assignment 22 for our exam, our midterm exam. Our portion is up to this 22 assignment. Thank you.